Hey guys, if you run a business that's dealing with online orders, one of the nicest things that I've ever got with things is a handwritten thank you card that comes with it. Just a tiny little piece of white card with thank you very much, like a signed card, and you just send that with things because that adds a personal touch, which is really good. Now, I've worked with quite a number of people who do online sales like this, and it is a really effective strategy because people, they aren't used to this kind of thing. Yeah, you can send a card that is manufactured. It's just been printed out with "thank you" with the store name on it or whatever. I don't like that so much because that's kind of like a business card. You throw away a business card, but people keep something that's handwritten. It doesn't take a lot saying "thank you so much," "thank you ever so much," just a signed thing at the bottom. You can sit there, write a load of them out, and it'll take you like 5 minutes, and just put one in with every single order that comes in. It's a really effective strategy because it adds that personal touch that will make people come back to your business. Anyway, have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.